So it'll be a little bit complicated to get to this V-TEC and the V-TEC solenoid, which is over here, but fairly little bit of struggling. I'll show you on the engine, which is pretty easy, but here it is, looking right here. They also leak. Anyways, let's get to the job. Okay, so to begin with, you might have a harness clipped on here. Remove it. If the harness is clipped on back here, you just kind of squeeze the tabs in the back, and you got to remove this little connector. So squeeze on this and this will come out. Sometimes these will be hard. Use a needle nose plier or push that green little pin inside there. Just lift it up because that attaches to this little guy right here. Same thing over here. So when you're done, you make sure this clicks in, both of these, just like that, this one and that one. So let's begin this job by removing this. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to remove this bolt here, 10 millimeter. So you will have spillage of oil because it has oil inside. So I want to loosen these up. So this engine is out of the vehicle. It's very easy for me to do, but you might have a little bit of tough spot to work at. But I am going to take this rag, kind of have it underneath. I don't know, this engine's been sitting for a while, so it might be empty, but I'm not sure. But keep your bolts in order. See if they're the same length. I believe they're the same length, but just keep them in order just in case. Sometimes they're shorter and longer, and you don't want to put the short one in long one in short because you can damage things. So once those three are out, I'm not sure if there's any other bolt. Am I missing anything here? Nope. So I'm gonna kinda, okay, something is holding this up. Maybe I'm not seeing something. Is there a bolt here? Nope, it's only 3 bolts. So let me kinda pry this. There you go. It comes right off. So that's what this baby look like right here. And this seal will leak over time. So pick up a new seal. If you see oil around this area, pick up a new seal. And the seal, simply, it might be like a $10 seal. V-TEC is part of the filter. Just let them know, go to the dealer. To remove this little guy, I'm gonna use something sharp. A flathead screwdriver will do the job. But I'm gonna be demonstrating with this old seal. So this thing just comes right out. It might just break, but okay, this might just break on me. Yep, that filter's on. I'm gonna try to save it, but I'm not sure if that filter's gonna come out. Yeah, it should come out. There you go. Use a pick or so. This guy has to come out. There you go. It's been sitting there for so long, and over time it will kind of tend to grab itself. So this is what it looked like. So I'm just demonstrating with the old one, the screen and the filter. So put the new one in, make sure you clean it, make sure it sits flush, just like that. Make sure your surface here is nice and clean. So what this does is it kind of controls the oil. Pressure sensor detects the pressure, and then it controls the oil. And you're gonna get the new one in there like that, and make sure everything sits flush and easy and good. So I'm gonna get 2 bolts in, and then I'm gonna try to clean my hands up. Okay, gonna get the 3rd bolt in. Just like that. And once you're done, you have to lock this up, okay? Get yourself torque specs. Shouldn't be more than like 4 to 6 foot-pound. But if you want to do it by hand, you could do so. Just tighten it evenly. Make sure everything goes in flush. Don't just tighten the crap out of one bolt. Snug them, and then go from side to side. Just like that. Can't go wrong, okay, doing this job by yourself. Just gonna be a little tight spot. But once you're done, make sure your connectors, like I said, these connectors are broken, cut off. Display engine, connector here, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video. If this wire is connected in here, you're gonna have to kind of get it out of there. Just fork it out or squeeze in the bottom and get it out. See you guys in the next video, and bye bye. Clean up after yourself. If you got check engine codes for this, just reset it. So see you guys on the next video.